Hello, I'm Sherry. Welcome to my channel. I'm finally unboxing my Ipsy Ultimate. I did take a peek at this already, of course, I can never wait. The box is nice and big. Favorite thing with all of our...
This is your 12 Glam Bag Ultimate products worth $250 plus are in place. Give a round of applause for your all-star cast. Here's everything you need to know.
So the first product that's on the list would be the Makeup Geek Highlighter in Lit. It just says, Makeup Geek delivers quality, cruelty-free products that inspire you to create the looks you love. Soft pink duochrome highlighter can be used on cheekbones, inner corners of your eyes, or Cupid's bow for instant illumination. My first product I'm trying from Makeup Geek. Really cute packaging. It's a highlighter, little mirror. Pretty excited about this highlighter. So there's the highlighter. Let's keep it for sure. Next thing we have is the Block Color Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer.
Artificial packaging, smart formulas. Hydrolyzed collagen gel-like primer gives your skin a major moisture boost to create a smooth canvas for long-lasting makeup. Unicorn Glow. Never heard of this. Block Color brand, whatever it is.
They don't have pricing on here. They usually have pricing on here, but there's no pricing on here to even show us, like, how do we know there's more than 250 plus? From Betty Boop by Ipsy Cheek to Cheek Blush Palette. Just says Ipster exclusive Betty Boop inspired cheek palette is here to help you obsess over you.
This peachy skin smoothing blush and highlighter trio mixes ultra blendable matte and pearlescent finishes for a lit from within glow.
Cute little packaging. Let's try this here. I actually like blush. I never used to wear blush because I naturally have redness, but I actually started, I like it. I like blush now. I must feel like it completes a look. This is his highlighter, so let's put some more of that lit back over that because I didn't really care for that highlighter. Next product, I love skincare, so I'm really excited to have this. It says Leu or Lou. I don't know how to pronounce it, but Biorace, Biorace hydrating treatment serum. It says intensive hydrating serum by Biorace, locks in moisture and keeps your skin soft and supple, ideal for all skin types, enhances your complexion instantly, and can be applied to the same entire face after cleansing. I'll definitely try this soon. Be Beautiful, Be You, Farah brushes. Blah, blah, blah. Getting brushes and Farah brushes are really good. I feel like they're good. Like sometimes they have the hairs are kind of like this Midnight Pro Trio. Perfectly balanced weight, comfort grips, and a subtle midnight blue tint to the fibers. This trio of brushes is the epitome of luxury. This says Cheeky End 218 brush. So I take it this is a cheek brush. I should have used it for my blush. Oh, it's really soft brush too. I like it. 20FF straight brush. I don't know what you would. Concealer maybe. Yeah, maybe concealer or powder, like if you're just patting powder on. I would use it to put powder inside my nose. The Stippling 40 FM brush. Kind of a domed stippling brush. I suppose you could use this for cream or like your foundation. I like it. Next we have the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I actually just, like, no joke, used the last of my other one. I have this and I use it just to take makeup off. It feels really good. It's clean. Oh, it even comes with a little spatula. My other one didn't have that. I think my other one is not a full size either because this is way bigger than the one I have. Same natural avocado and shea butter mask sheet set. Beloved Korean beauty brand that strives to create effective skincare products using naturally derived ingredients. This set of avocado and shea butter sheet masks deeply nourishes skin and delivers healthy hydration. So I got 2 sheet masks. When the kids come over, like my nieces and nephews on weekends or whatever, they love masks. I always like doing masks. Obsessed Moi Beauty Reflect Lip Gloss and Opulence. It says believes that being you is the purest definition of beauty, enriched with a blend of natural and organic oils. This nourishing gloss delivers a subtle everyday shimmer and a whole lot of shine with zero stickiness. I like it. It's pretty much clear, shiny, comfortable, not sticky. Colored Rain Cosmetics Eyeshadow in Champagne Light. Really cute packaging. This velvety, smooth, and vegan shadow is blendable, richly pigmented, long wearing. Your eye look will stay strong from day to night. The best part, the foil finish champagne hue looks so good on all skin tones. Ever tried Colored Rain? From Eye Balm Lemonade Verbena Clay Mask. It says made with skin brightening lemon, verbena, rice, and red bean. This clay mask removes impurities, controls excess sebum, fights inflammation, and gently exfoliates to reveal glowing skin beneath. It's just a clay mask. This is Nanette Lepore. Beautiful Times. This fashion guru's fragrances are inspired by her bohemian designs. Her bright, juicy fragrance features notes of mandarin, violet, and caramelized sugar that make it lightly sweet and so addictive.
Smells really good.
Huda Beauty Obsession Eyeshadow Palette in Warm Brown. This versatile palette offers a gorgeous mix of 8 creamy matte finishes and 1 duochrome shimmer in earthy tones of chocolate, plum, caramel, and copper. That's that with everything that's in this booklet. And then I still have 2 products left in here. I don't understand. Real Her Sorry Not Sorry lipstick. Look how tiny that is. Little bitty lipstick. Tristique mascara. This is one I wanted. They had it has a curling iron. I mean, not a curling iron, but it has a little curl thing right on it. And curl your eyelashes. Okay, so yeah, I just don't understand my box. It's just a bunch of like weird products meshed together, in my opinion. I don't think it's worth $50. Possibly $30 I would pay for a box like this, but if I knew these were the things we were gonna get, I would have opted out for this month. I was really looking forward to this box too, and that's why it's such a letdown, because I'm a mom of 2 and I can't afford to be paying $50 a month for a box like this when, you know, it's just stuff like this. So yeah, not very impressed with this box, but I'm gonna give this a try. I don't have this one. Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions. I'm just patting out any creases I may have. I just have some concealer on. I'm gonna go in with, what should I do first? Here first. Yeah, it was a bad choice. Let's go in with the darker one. This one right here. Something like that. And then this one. I like halfway on, halfway off. If you can see that. Going with this one here. Same with what we did there, like halfway onto this pink, halfway off. Like almost just set it on top. And then small circles. And kind of bring it out some too. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in this one and I'm going to deepen it up. Somewhat like that, and then let's go back in with that pinkish shade we used second and kind of go over the edges of that again. That tan shade again that we used last. Okay. Again with that first shade again, the dark purple. And we're gonna bring it under here. Okay, now we're gonna go into that lighter purple right here. This gold shade in the middle here. I'm gonna catch this eye up to this eye and I'll be right back. Used this kohl liner we got last month, I believe.
I'm not sure. Whatever, I got this from one of my boxes, the kohl liner.
This to curl my eyelashes, and I like this. I will be using this again. I expected more and it wasn't worth $50, but that's just my opinion. Other than that, the box was just okay. It wasn't a love. It's barely a like. Yeah, well, thanks for watching. I gotta get going. Carmen is on his way home. So, my 300 subscriber giveaway, so that will be coming. Just keep an eye on my channel. Let me know what you think of this box. I'm gonna cancel this Ipsy Ultimate box. I'm gonna get the Ipsy Plus, and I'm gonna try to get that BoxyCharm Premium. So yeah, have a good one. Bye.